In today's video, I'm going to show you how to split screen in Chrome quickly and easily. This is a really useful trick if you want to keep two websites open side by side, compare information, work faster, or follow along with one page while using another. It's simple, it's fast, and once you know where the option is, you can do it in just a few clicks. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, go to the website that you want to place in the top part of the split screen. This is important because the tab you choose first is the one Chrome will use as the starting point for the split view. Now, once you are on that website, right-click on the tab or the web page area depending on your Chrome setup. You should see a menu appear with different options. Look for the option that says New Split View with Current Tab. This is the feature that creates the split screen layout using the page you currently have open. Go ahead and click on New Split View with Current Tab. As soon as you select it, Chrome will create a split view and place your current website into one section of the screen. From there, you can choose another tab or open a new web page for the second section, so you can view both pages at the same time. This is especially helpful if you are doing research, comparing products, watching a tutorial while taking notes, or simply trying to be more productive without switching back and forth between tabs. If you don't see the option right away, make sure you are using a newer version of Chrome, since this feature may not appear in older versions. You can also try right-clicking directly on the tab itself if the option does not show up in the page area. Once the split view is active, you can usually continue browsing normally in each section, making it easy to multitask inside one browser window. And that's it. You now know how to split screen in Chrome in just a few seconds. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple tech tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.